What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Gala Games, currency at 0.021. We're down 6% on the day, sitting on market cap 670 million, 24-hour volume 81 million. So there's a couple of scenarios. Right now, Gala may just create a five-way move off this low, which would make it more likely. What's going on with my mouse here? Which would make it more likely to see a direct breakout back to the upside and just come straight up and break these highs and see continuation. If we create that five-way move, right now you have three waves, which is typical of a B, but you are seeing a nice little push. So if we zoom in here, you could be looking to put in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and see continuation back to the upside. We saw a perfect retest of our inverse head and shoulders. We're getting back above the daily EMAs. So if we were to see that straight breakout, your target would be 0.0294. So let's see. Looks like price might put in that five-way move. Let me do this quickly, this micro count. So you have a 1, 2, potentially 3, 4, and if we can break that high, put in a wave 5, then what you could see is a five-way move, a pullback, and then straight continuation back to the upside, and just have that retest and see continuation. But it really depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin could also be going through an ABC correction unless it creates a five-way move. So if Bitcoin goes through the ABC, then Gala will too, most likely. But just looking at the price right now, if we can put in that five-way move, it does increase the probability of seeing a straight breakout back to the upside, heading towards that target. We'll have to see if we can put in that five-way move for Gala Games. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America, and you can use BITUNIX worldwide. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. No KYC, no VPN when you sign up through my link, top of the comments. Join my free Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis, as well as my Forex signals. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.